Hello friends, this is Anpichan. Welcome to my mathematics class. Today we have very wonderful trick, very useful trick, especially who are preparing for public service commission. Okay. Here topic we have how to count the triangles quickly. If you take time, you can count. Everyone can count, but how to do in electrifying speed in super fast trick. So I have okay, I will teach you okay super fast trick how to count the triangles quickly. Okay, see here. Type 1, I have taken here 3 types. I will tell you more types also. Just simple type I have taken here 3 types. Okay, type 1, we have here triangles. Then if you count okay here triangles, then you may count like this way. One triangle, okay. This is a one triangle and this is a second triangle, right? Two triangles and whole another one. So how many triangles are there? Three triangles, because this one is the dead simple figure, so you can count. But if you get okay these type of figures, these are so horrible looking and so many triangles are there, it may take so much time to count all triangles. Even then after taking so much time, there is a possibility to do mistakes. All right, so to avoid the mistake, uh, we have one very good trick. See, just you have to count here. One, just you have to count like this. Here, one, two, two. Okay. Now, just you have to find out the sum of these uh, numbers. One, two. So one plus two is equal to your and 3. So there are 3 triangles, right? Simply, so simple. And here 1, just 2 and 3. Okay, or 1, 2 and 3. So just now add okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 5, 6. So 6 triangles. There will be 6 triangles. Okay. Now here, if you have to count, so simple trick. See, just you have to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and up to a 6. So 10 triangles will be there. You can count, and so simple, so fast, super fast trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? Just you have to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and up to here to 3, 6, 10 and 10 plus 5, 15. 15 triangles will be there, right? So simple trick. Okay, 15 triangles here. Here okay, 10 triangles. Here 6 triangles. In this figure 3 triangles. So easy way, so easy, so super fast trick. Okay, so see, okay, you can avoid the addition also. Just you can do this method. As we know, okay, we have studied okay some of the first n natural number formula, n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. Using this formula also you can do, right? Just here, how many okay n you have to tell okay 2. Okay, 2 times 3 by 2. See, using okay that formula, you can do like this 1 2. Here you have the last counting, n is 2. 2 times 3 by 2, you can just 6 okay 3, right? Just you have to know the last digits. Okay, 1 2 3. 3 times 4 by 2, you can do 6. So simple. 1 2 3 4 and 4 times 5 by 2 is equal to 10. Easy. So easy. I think you are enjoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just okay. 5. 5 plus 1 means 6. By 2 is equal to 30. By 2 is equal to 15. 15. There are 15 triangles. So easy. I think all you have understood first type. First type is simple type of okay, right? First one. First type is that simple, very easy. But if you don't know the trick, then it's really a difficult one for you, right? Now next one. Next one, okay, type second. Just here, okay, you have okay this type of okay figures, and here just okay we have a triangle, but in the triangles you can see so many horizontal lines here. Here is a one horizontal, 1 2 horizontal lines here, 1 2 3 horizontal line, 1 2 3 4 horizontal lines here. Horizontal lines are drawn. Okay. So if we have this type of triangles, then how to count the number of triangles? So simple. See, I have written here one formula. Number of triangles is equal to number of horizontal lines. So simple. So very okay. That's simple. Simple than earlier. Okay. You have not to do any calculation also. Simple. Okay. So number of triangles is equal to number of horizontal lines. So how many triangles are there? 1 2. So 2 triangles. Okay, 2. Okay. So how many? 2. So just okay. You have to count. Okay, 1 to 2 horizontal line, one horizontal line, second horizontal line. So 2 triangles are there. You can verify. One is bigger triangle and one is this smaller triangle. Only 2 triangles are there, and here also 1 2 3. So 3 triangles are there. So how many? Just you have to count it. Number of triangles, especially in this type of diagrams, number of triangles is equal to number of horizontal lines. You have to just count the horizontal lines, right? And here 1 2 3 4 4 horizontal lines. So 4. There are 4 triangles, right? And here how many horizontal lines? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 horizontal lines. So number of triangles are also 6. Okay. In this figure, how many triangles are there? 6. In this figure, how many triangles are there? 4. In this figure, how many triangles are there? 3. In this figure, how many triangles are there? 2. So simple. That's simple, very simple. If you know the trick, okay, you can find out within 1-2 seconds. Alright. So we can say this is a really okay. Wow trick, okay. Wow trick, right? Very wow trick, right? You can save the marks. Okay, you can save the time. Now next one, third type I have taken. Just I have combined okay these two figures, right? These two diagrams and obtained diagram will be this type of diagrams we will have, right? So for this also we have a wonderful trick. Okay, here we have a horizontal line as well as okay these transversal type of lines are also there, right? Okay, so I think you understood now. I need space, so I'm going to expunge all these things. And for this, for third type, you have to just okay, you have to how to count the number of triangles, number of for third type. Okay, all right. Third type of diagrams. Okay, number of triangles is equal to number of triangles obtained by first trick times number of horizontal lines. This is a trick. Okay, so simple formula, very simple formula, and okay, number of triangles is equal to number of triangles obtained by first trick. You have to memorize this first trick, and times number of horizontal first trick and horizontal times the horizontal lines. Okay, right? Number of horizontal lines. So just once again, come on. Number of triangles obtained by first trick times number of horizontal lines. Okay, using this formula we can find out the number of triangles in type 3. Okay, so come on, here we go. Okay, just ignore first this line. Let's apply the first trick. First trick here 1 and 2. So 2 and so you can add okay 1 plus 2 okay 3. So how many? Okay, 3 here. And then okay, how many lines are there? Okay, 1 2 horizontal lines are 2. 2 horizontal lines 1 2 2 horizontal lines. Number of triangles obtained by first trick okay 3. We got okay 3 and times okay horizontal lines 2. So 6. 6 triangles will be there. How many triangles will be there? 6 okay in this case. So again next one. Okay. Using okay first trick, let's find out the ignore these lines also. 1 2 3, right? Okay, 3 times 4 by 2, as I told you to use this formula, or 1 plus, either you can do like this way. Okay, 12 and 6, you got okay 6 and see 1 plus 2 plus 3 and times okay number of horizontal lines 1 2 1 2, right? And here you will get 6 and 3 to the 6 12. Okay, so how many triangles you will get? Okay, 6 times 2 12. How many triangles are there? 12. Just okay. All right. Now you understood, I think, right? So number of triangles obtained by first step. Okay, you can just add 1 plus 2 plus 3 over 6. Directly formula 3 times 4 by 2 you can use. You can apply this formula also to find out the sum of these numbers. Okay, if you are good in calculation, then you can do easily. You can do quickly. 6 times, then okay. How many horizontal lines? 2. So times 2 you have to find out. Okay, right? You can get number of triangles. So how many triangles are there? 12. Okay. So come on, let's find out this one. Firstly, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can okay 4 times 5 by 2 is equal to how many triangles here? 4, 5 is 20 and 10. You can do like this way also, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If you okay 10, then I told you okay number of triangles obtained by first stick times number of horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3. So horizontal lines are there. Final answer 10 times 3. 30 triangles are there, right? So 30 triangles. So how many triangles will be there in this diagram? 30 triangles. Simply okay. Number of triangles obtained by the first trick times horizontal lines, right? 1 to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You can do like this way, and times 1, 2, 3. Three horizontal lines are there, 30. So easy. Otherwise, if you try to okay count, you can't. Okay, I think okay it will be a boring to you, and definitely you're gonna get okay mistake okay while counting the triangles. Definitely, even if I start okay to count okay, I may be confused okay to count the triangles in this diagram, because we have got 30 triangles okay. All right, so easy trick. I think okay definitely you will enjoy this trick. Okay, to get okay more and more tricks, stay with my channel and subscribe, and don't forget, if you like if you think it's useful, then please subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can write in comment box. Don't do any hesitation to ask the questions. Okay, all right, thank you um, very much for watching my video, and to know the next more. Okay, we have more types to count the triangles in next video. I'm going to provide you. Okay, so stay with my channel. Okay, thank you once again. Bye bye.